Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use zone cleaning on DREAME D20 Plus. To use zone cleaning, you need to click on zone in the app, and then you can create a zone that will be cleaned. It can be resized to at least 0.4 by 0.4 meters, and it can be any larger size, of course. Then set the zone wherever you want. You can of course add more zones if you would like to, and then select cycles. You can do one cycle, which means it will clean all your zones once. You can do it twice or 3 times. You can also adjust the settings of whether you want to vacuum, mop, or vacuum and mop at the same time. You can change the suction power, mop wetness, and route. And then click on clean. And that's it. I'll go back to all, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.